This illustration deals with Workspace about equipment in accordance with 110.32, and the equipment we're talking about here is equipment rated over 1,000 volts, service equipment and other type equipment we might be working with. We know that service equipment kind of begins in the NEC article, section 230.200, and that last part of that article deals with high voltage. Just a note to the user of the NEC, high voltage is always addressed in most every case in the last part of an article, like 240, 250, and so forth. It's the last part of the article. Now, notice this Workspace about equipment rated over 1,000 volts is the same. The minimum clearance distance-wise is based upon condition 1, 2, or 3. So again, condition 1 is a recap, a reminder, is where an insulated wall is behind the worker. Condition 2, it's a grounded wall. And condition 3, it's equipment opposite equipment. Now we have 5 voltage levels listed. Over 1,000 volts to 2,500 volts, and you can see it's a 3-foot clearance for condition 1, condition 2 is 4, and condition 3 is 5. Now, if we look at the next set of values, we pick up above 2,500 volts to 9,000 volts, and in condition 1 is 4, 2 is 5, 3 is 6, etc. But notice we work around this voltage today that's above maybe 901 up to 25,000 volts, you know, like 13.8, 12,470, 13,200, 15 kV. And notice the clearances around such equipment for condition 1 is 5 foot, 6 foot, 9 foot, based upon the conditions. And then, of course, as the voltage goes up, the clearances in front of this equipment goes up, and you must be aware of this because we, as electricians and designing engineers, we do a lot of design work and installation work above 1,000 volts up to 25,000 volts. Maintenance electricians perform a lot of maintenance on these systems, and we recommend the Annex K and the Annex L to be reviewed very carefully for maintenance electricians because it does address frequency checks, good housekeeping, and other items of maintenance that are very important that the maintenance electrician knows. So this figure illustrates Workspace about equipment over 1,000 volts in rating in accordance with NEC 110.32.